Hi, my name is Danielle Catani, and I am currently a medical transcriptionist. I work from home. Prior to that, I was a paramedic. I've been in the medical field for about 26 years now, and I've almost finished all of my coursework to be able to apply to the RN program, which is kind of a second career for me, I suppose. While I'm waiting to be accepted, I am working on a few of the Cognate courses that you need in order to get your BSN. Um, so that's why I'm here taking lifespan development. I'm really excited about this course. As far as a career path goes, I know I want to go into the RN program and obtain my BSN. Hoping that I would be able to finish up my master's and then potentially get my nurse practitioner. Not really sure what field I want to work in now. I'm even considering more of an educational or case management type of situation just with my age. Um, but definitely pursuing a career in nursing. Previously, I've taken online courses and haven't had any technological issues with it. Last semester was the first time I used the Blackboard with Doan, and I started a little bit at the beginning, but after about a week or two of messing around with it, I was able to figure it out and work with it really well, and I ended up feeling pretty comfortable with it. I'm looking forward to this class because I've always been interested in psychology. I've taken quite a few classes over the years, and as a paramedic, I also learned a lot that kind of coincides with all of this, and so it's kind of like putting it all back together into one pot. So I'm excited to begin learning, and I hope everybody does well in this class, and hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye.